Yes. Today we have the Scharde Tough Tool by BTI Tools LLC. Sadly, it's made in China, but that's okay. Anyway, comes in this nice little package. Feels like something like a nylon, maybe. Nice belt loop. Looks like it slides out of there somehow. I don't know. You can run your belt through this, or you can just run it through the back underneath this. Now, it closes with the Velcro. Now, here's the tool. So, it's kind of funny how it closes because most multi-tools don't close like this. They close over it, over the pliers. But this one does not. I guess it's part of the toughness part. I'm not really sure. Got a bunch of numbers right here. Not sure what that's for. The tools are like, they come out on this side. And so for the tools, we've got this little, I'm not sure what this is, a little picaroon thing. Just pick at stuff, you know, stuff under your nails, you know, whatever you want to do. We got this knife, which is pretty sharp. I mean, like, let's test it out real fast. So let's test out this knife. It's also got a little locking mechanism. I'll show you later. Okay, guys, maybe not as sharp as I thought. Let's try that again. This one layer this time. It's moderately sharp. So this back here is a locking system. It locks really tightly, but it doesn't actually lock. You have to push really hard to get your knife to close. Just kind of dangerous. But I'm just gonna go like this. Better watch. There we go. Okay. And see how this is gonna come up? That comes up. And watch it close down again, like that. I'll open another tool. I'll show you how it works. And next to that, oh, wrong one. We've also got a can opener in here. Open cans and stuff like that. Let's say you're in a shift scenario. You need to open some canned food you find somewhere, that'd be good for that. I'm sure there's some other stuff this thing could do as well. I haven't really looked at these yet, so that's why I'm just kind of learning along as I go, like you guys are. So right here we got a little screwdriver. Does not look like it'd work very well, to be honest with you. Like, you see how flat that is? That literally looks terrible. Anyways, guys, I'm just giving you an honest review. That's what we do here at Supreme Survival. Honest reviews, okay? Don't play no games.
Honest is honest.
Okay. I am running into a problem. Every time I try to close these, the lock is just way too hard. I have to, like, every time I try to close it, it bends. It bends like that. It literally goes like this. So you gotta do this pretty much every single time. This is embarrassing, guys. Oh, finally. Okay. That is definitely not good. Okay, Scharde, you need to redesign this or something. Got this file. I'm not going to open these all the way anymore because that lock is just way too hard to get undone. You got a file with a coarse, or this fine side and coarse side. So there's that. Let's go to the other side now. For the other side, you got this little serrated blade with a normal blade on the end. We'll see how that does with cutting. Serrations usually do pretty good with cutting rope and stuff. Yeah, that's really good. Let's see how I do the, let's see how I get, oh, got a whole bunch of rope in there though. I think it's just the natural fibers in the rope doing that. Let's see how the blade is. Oh, I slipped that time. Blade cuts good as well. Alright. Not sure why we need another blade right there, because we've already got one over here. I'd rather have the all serrations, so you could maybe cut yourself out of a seat belt or something. We got a screwdriver, or this is a Phillips, or flathead, sorry, a flathead screwdriver. This one actually looks functional. And if you got this little thing right here, I'm not sure what that looks like. It's just a useless little thing you added on there. It says they have, it's like 20 tools on here. So, you know, they just add in useless crap like this. But screwdriver probably works good. We'll test it out later, maybe. Next we've got a little saw. This saw looks decent. Let's just see how it does on a piece of wood or something. Alright guys, we're going to try it on this piece of maple. Or not maple, sorry, elm. It's pretty old, but we'll see what this can handle. It's not very, doesn't look very good to me, but we'll see. Probably if you get a little closer, maybe like this angle on it. Almost cut. See, guys, I almost cut my thumb with that. That's unacceptable. Like, that would have been Trade's fault if I got my thumb. No, I'm just messing with you guys. Always be safe, guys. That's a mistake. So, guys, it's not really cutting very well. We're just gonna snap it. Yeah, that's right. All right. So, that's my Powerade. So yeah. That's as far as it got cut. The saw could be a lot better. It's a waste of energy using that saw. And of course I got the locking problem again. Okay guys, I know I'm not being very safe, but this is just a disclaimer, don't do what I do. And probably one of the best things about this multi-tool, it's got scissors. We'll see how it cuts this box. Let's see. There goes that. So here's some instructions, guys. We all know these are kind of useless, you know. I mean, if you're a man, you don't need instructions. So let's just cut these right here. See how that works. Works pretty good. Now that was just one fold of paper. Let's try 2 folds. Alright. Now 3. Okay. Now 6. Let's just see how thick it can cut. I'm just gonna fold it up really thick. Cut that a little bit. Yeah, good scissors, guys. Probably some of the best scissors I've ever had on multi-tool. Again, guys, the price point is about 15 bucks, about 16 bucks actually. So you really get what you paid for with this. Now the pliers are excellent. Let's go test out the wire cutters, guys. We're gonna test out the wire cutters on these. Can you zoom in on that? You don't need to zoom in, just scoot closer. It's not focusing. Okay, anyways, guys. Camera sucks. Anyway. So, let's see how it touches. As you can see, it barely fits in there. Watch your eyes, Carter. Might fling somewhere. It's not working. Let me try this part. This part's flat. You got a little cut right there. We just took the piece off the fence, so it worked while ago. Let's try it some more. Okay, no, not working. Definitely not ideal for cutting wire. And now they're kind of pushed down. They got, yeah. So now it's really dull. So those are pretty much unfunctional now. So basically, guys, this is a one-time use for wires. You cut them one time, that's the end. All right. So let's try the screwdriver that I was talking about earlier. That's absolutely terrible. Never mind. All right. So let's get the screwdriver. Thank you. My servant Carter has handed me a saw.
Ew.
Okay. So I don't know if you guys saw this earlier, but that screwdriver is completely flat. Does not look like it's gonna work, and it's rounded off on the end as well. So let's see. Might work for this one. These are pretty big slots. So yeah, guys, screwdriver works for big screws. I don't know about for little screws though. Little screws it probably wouldn't work as well. So the screwdriver passes. Most of the tools on here are either non-functional or barely functional. So guys, I'm just going to go through the tools that I think are actually worth putting on here, or they're actually good. So the screwdriver is good. The scissors are good. This blade's good. Let me get the scissors out. The saw is not good. We're going to keep that one down. Oh, forgot to test out this one. That's too big. We don't have anything this big to test out. This is good. There's another little pick thing. Oh, this is, no, sorry, that's another it's a little flathead screwdriver. This one right here. Can you see that? All right. I'm sure this little pickaroon thing would be good for something. I don't know, pick your nose with or something, I don't know. The blade's good. And the file's good. Oh, I didn't see that. And then you got your can opener, just right down here. So most of the tools are functional. Just the saw is not very good at all. The wire cutters don't work very well. Other than that, guys, it's a good tool. The only problem is the locking part. The locking system. That's pretty much the only problem there is. Besides, they could harden the metal on the wire cutters. And either just remove the saw or replace it with something else, because there's not really much point in having a little tiny saw. So guys, this thing, I guess I give it 3.5 stars. 3.5 stars, that's 3.5 to 4 stars. Probably 3.5. I hope you guys like the review. Please subscribe to our channel. We've been making more videos now that we've got more gear. And I really want our videos to be higher quality because some of the videos that we've been making haven't been very good, like the RTAC 2 video. And oh yeah, we got a an axe review coming up that we're gonna get done here shortly, maybe next weekend. So yeah, guys, please subscribe to our channel. Watch all of our videos. Thanks. See you later.